Hi guys, today I will be explaining about how to screen record in Clipchamp. This process is simple and easy, and yes, you can record your own screen using Clipchamp without using any other software. And it's pretty much simple. This one is the main interface of Clipchamp, and here you can see the option of record yourself. You can try it by clicking on this option, but if you did not see it here, then tap on the option create a new video. Now the timeline of Clipchamp has been opened, and the only thing you have to do is take a look on the left side of your computer screen. You will see multiple options. From these, you have to tap on the option record and create. In this pop-up, you will see multiple options, but you want to record your own screen. So here you can see the option of screen. Simply click on it. And here you can see ready to roll. Just hit the red button and choose your screen which you want to record. You can customize your own screen, means you can only record the area which you want to record with the help of this Clipchamp. And the recording limit is for 30 minutes, and I think it's enough for you to record any video. So just hit the red button and start your screen recording easily.